Oh my god, guys, just look at it. I'm in love with the way it looks, and I'm sure even you are. So, then what are we waiting for? What the So long story short, I always wonder clouds can be more interesting and more colorful instead of just being the color white. So I went on the internet and searched for DIY clouds, and then this happened. And people actually went out and bought lanterns, and then they made this DIY cloud out of it, and I thought it's just a lot of waste of money. And what could be the more Indian way of doing it, the more jugaad way of doing it? So I went down and I bought these bottles from the kitchen, and I used particularly 2-liter water bottle for this project. And then now it was time for some cotton, and I needed some cotton, so I wondered where can we find cotton. They're pretty much everywhere these days. So I went to the guest room and took a pillow and took the razor. Is it called the razor or is it called the cutter? Let's just call it cutter. So I took the cutter and I sliced it open, and I had cotton. And then it's first time for sticking, guys. Then I took my very old good friend hot glue gun, and then trust me, you're gonna need a lot of glue sticks with this. And then I started sticking the cotton all the way around the bottle, and it took about 2 to 3 hours to completely stick the bottle. Completely stick the bottle. Yes, that's right, completely stick the bottle. So guys, just have patience, it's gonna take time. And look at it, it looks so beautiful right now, and I'm just in love the way it looks. Then it was time for electronics. Then I took the piece of PVC or CPVC or whatever you call it, let's just call it pipe for now. And then I took the pipe, and then I cut it till the end of where the bottle ends. And then I took this LED strip, RGB strip. If you go onto the internet and go on in Amazon or anywhere and you just type RGB strip, you're gonna get this for very cheap. This has probably costed me 300 rupees when I bought this, and this was just laying around, and it was broken also, it was in cut pieces. So I thought, let's just use this. Then I just started testing out all the LED strips which were in pieces, and then it took a lot of time. And then once I finally got them, I started sticking it around the pipe, and then it was time for soldering. And it took way more time, guys. Soldering took way more time. And after I soldered all the terminals with everything, then it was time to pull the wire out through the hole I made before. And then I used the very old Indian electrician technique, or it's not Indian electrician technique, basically everybody uses this. That is to send something through the big hole to the small hole and then pull it out. And then I just pulled the wire out and stuck the stick with hot glue over there. And then I added up cotton all around the wires so that it shouldn't be seen. And then it was actually 1 a.m. and I was done for the day. And the next day I took copper wire, and which I just stole from my Tesla coil project. And do let me know if you also want a video about Tesla coil and how it works and how to make it one. And it's a very cool project, guys, let me tell you. And then what I did is, coming back to this project, what I did was I took the copper, I hung it to that light over there. And then cable management was a very big issue, so I had a lot of artwork and pictures laying around. So I hid the wire behind them, and then I even added a little bit of warm white LED strips behind the bed so that it looks more cool now. Guys, look at the setup behind me right now. Look at the pictures, or just before 2 videos which I used to make the videos with this background, how boring it used to look. And just look behind right now, it looks so amazing right now, and I'm just in love with the way it looks. And that's all for this video, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content like this, and make sure to press that notification bell icon to get notified whenever we post new videos. And hit the like button and leave a comment down below, and share this video. And just share this video, it looks so good, right? Let everybody make this. Just share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay tuned and stay hungry, well, in terms of knowledge.